Capture your daring adventures with the best action cameras of 2024. From ruggedized GoPros to the DJI Osmo Action 4, we've got you covered. Discover impressive image stabilization, 4K capabilities, and more. After testing and evaluating more than 25 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is GoPro Hero 12 Black. The latest and most powerful action camera from GoPro. It offers some unique features that make it stand out from the crowd, such as 10-bit HDR video, wireless audio support, and timecode sync. Whether you are a casual filmmaker or a professional videographer, the Hero 12 Black has something for you. One of the main attractions of the Hero 12 Black is its 10-bit HDR video mode, which captures more dynamic range and colors than the standard 8-bit mode. This means you can get more details in the shadows and highlights, and more flexibility in post-processing. You can also choose between different color profiles, such as GP log for a flat look, or SDR for a more natural look. The Hero 12 Black can record up to 5.3K 60fps, 4K 120fps, or 2.7K 240fps, giving you plenty of options for resolution and frame rate. Another unique feature of the Hero 12 Black is its wireless audio support, which allows you to connect compatible Bluetooth headphones or microphones to the camera. This can improve the sound quality and reduce the wind noise, especially when you are vlogging or recording interviews. You can also use dual-channel audio, which lets you record 2 separate audio tracks from different sources, such as a built-in mic and an external mic. The Hero 12 Black also has a timecode sync feature, which is useful for professional filmmakers who need to synchronize multiple cameras or audio devices. This feature embeds a timecode into the video file, which can be read by editing software or external devices. This can save you time and hassle when editing multi-camera footage or syncing audio. The Hero 12 Black is not without its flaws, though. It drops the GPS feature that was present in previous models, which means you can't add location data or speed overlays to your videos. It also has a mediocre battery life, which can last for about an hour of continuous recording. And it still struggles in low-light situations, where the video quality can get noisy and blurry. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a great action camera that offers some unique features that can enhance your video production. It has a class-leading video stabilization, a versatile mounting system, and a tough, waterproof design. It is not a huge upgrade from the Hero 11 Black, but it is still the best GoPro around. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 2 on our list is Insta360 Go 3, a tiny powerhouse of an action camera that offers a lot of versatility and creativity for casual and professional users alike. It weighs only 35 grams and can be mounted almost anywhere with its magnetic design and included accessories. It can capture ultra-wide POV shots in 2.7K resolution with flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, making it ideal for capturing smooth and stable footage in any situation. It also has a waterproof rating, so you can take it underwater up to 16 feet without worrying about damage. The Go 3 comes with an Action Pod, which is a flip touchscreen that doubles as a remote control and a live preview. You can use it to frame your shots, access preset shooting options and settings, and snap photos with ease. The Action Pod also extends the battery life of the Go 3, allowing you to film for up to 170 minutes. The Action Pod is IPX4 splashproof, so it can handle rain and snow as well. The Go 3 has some smart features that make it easy to use and fun to play with. You can start recording instantly with the quick capture button, even when the camera is off. You can also use voice control to command the camera hands-free. The Go 3 has an auto mode that adjusts the exposure and color automatically, as well as various filters that you can apply to your videos and photos. You can also edit your footage with the Insta360 app or Studio, which offer a range of tools and effects to enhance your creativity. The Insta360 Go 3 is not without its drawbacks, though. It has no removable storage, so you are limited by the internal memory. It also has no external mic support, so the audio quality may not be very good in noisy environments. It also tends to get warm after prolonged use, which may affect the performance and battery life. The Go 3 also struggles in low-light conditions, producing grainy and blurry images. Overall, the Insta360 Go 3 is a great action camera for anyone who wants a small, versatile, and easy-to-use device that can capture high-quality video and photos in a variety of scenarios. It has some unique features that set it apart from other action cameras, such as the Action Pod, the flow state stabilization, and the 360-degree horizon lock. It also has some limitations, such as the lack of removable storage, external mic support, and low light performance. However, for its size and price, the Go 3 is a remarkable camera that offers a lot of potential and fun for content creators and vloggers. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Our next pick is GoPro Max, the second 360-degree camera from GoPro, but it is much more than a sequel to the Fusion. It is a versatile device that combines the features of the Hero 8 and the Fusion, with some exclusive new features that make it stand out. The GoPro Max has two lenses, one on each side, that can capture everything around you in stunning detail. You can shoot immersive 360-degree videos at 5.7K resolution, or use the Hero mode to switch to a single lens and record in 1080p or 1440p. You can also use the front-facing screen and camera to vlog or take selfies. One of the best features of the GoPro Max is the ability to edit your 360-degree videos on your smartphone using the GoPro app. You can reframe your shots, zoom in and out, add keyframes, and create dynamic clips that look like they were shot with multiple cameras. You can also export your videos in different formats, such as Tiny Planet or Panorama. The GoPro Max also has 6 microphones that capture directional audio and reduce wind noise. You can use voice commands to control the camera hands-free, or use the touchscreen to access various settings and modes. The camera is waterproof up to 5 meters, and has a removable battery that lasts up to 90 minutes. The GoPro Max is not perfect, though. It is bulkier than other 360 cameras, and it does not have a traditional 4K video mode. The app experience could also use some improvement, as it can be slow or buggy at times. The GoPro Max is a great choice for anyone who wants to explore the world of 360-degree video, or who wants a versatile action camera that can do more than just record. It offers high-quality video and photo, automatic 360-degree stitching, excellent app upgrades, and some unique features that make it fun and easy to use. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Insta360X3, a versatile and easy-to-use 360-degree action camera that can also capture 4K videos with a single lens. It has a slim and pocket-sized design, a large and bright touchscreen, and a powerful editing software. The Insta360X3 has dual 48-megapixel sensors that can record 5.7K 360-degree videos and 72-megapixel still images. It also has an active HDR mode that can keep highlight details in high-contrast scenes. The Insta360X3 has a 2.29-inch touchscreen that is much larger and brighter than the previous model, the One X2. This makes it easier to frame and review your shots, as well as access the settings and modes. The screen also supports swiping gestures to switch between lenses and modes. The Insta360X3 can also be used as a 4K single-lens action camera, which is a new feature that was not available in the One X2. This gives you more flexibility and versatility when shooting different scenarios. The Insta360X3 has a great battery life of up to 90 minutes of continuous 5.7K recording, which is an improvement over the One X2's 80 minutes. It also has a fast charging feature that can fully charge the battery in about an hour. The Insta360X3 has a fun and powerful editing software that lets you reframe your 360 videos and photos into regular flat ones, as well as apply various effects and filters. You can also use the ShotLab feature to create amazing videos with creative templates and AI-powered effects. The Insta360X3 is an enjoyable and easy-to-use camera that can capture stunning 360-degree videos and photos, as well as decent 4K single-lens videos. It has a bigger screen, bigger battery, and bigger sensors than the previous model, as well as a new action cam mode. It also has a great editing software that lets you unleash your creativity. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is DJI Osmo Action 4, a powerhouse action camera that's designed to capture your adrenaline-fueled moments with stunning clarity and stability. The Osmo Action 4 boasts a rugged, waterproof design that can withstand depths of up to 60 meters or 197 feet. Whether you're surfing, diving, or mountain biking, this camera is ready for action. The front-facing color screen is a game-changer for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly. With a 1.5-3-inch CMOS sensor and an f2.8 lens, the Osmo Action 4 delivers impressive image quality. It captures 12-megapixel photos and shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second. The rock-steady stabilization technology ensures buttery smooth footage even during intense movements. The dual-screen setup is a standout feature. The front screen is ideal for framing selfies or checking your composition, while the larger rear touchscreen provides intuitive controls for settings and playback. Switching between screens is seamless, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Hands-free operation is a breeze with voice commands. Additionally, you can set custom shooting presets for different scenarios. The removable battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous 4K recording. For longer shoots, carry spare batteries. The Osmo Action 4 connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the DJI Mimo app, enabling live streaming, editing, and sharing on the go. The G-Osmo Action 4 is a reliable companion for thrill seekers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Its robust build, dual screens, and impressive image stabilization make it a top choice in the action camera market. Whether you're cliff diving, snowboarding, or exploring remote trails, this camera ensures you capture every heart-pounding moment in stunning detail. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.